Yo, this shit OP.
Hi guys, it's Tutorial Hub today and I'm going to be teaching you how to download a PPSSPP game on your mobile phone. So the first thing you need to do is to select any browser of your choice. You could use Google, you can use UC browser or anyone you want. I prefer to use Opera Mini because Google doesn't really download things faster for me. So I'm going to use Opera Mini. This is what I'm going to use. Opera Mini. So I'm going to Opera Mini now and it's loading. Now you are going to search for cool rooms. That is what you're searching for. Cool rooms. Now in cool rooms you see options like Sony PlayStation Portable, PPSSPP, Sony PlayStation 2, ROMs, Sony PlayStation PXS ROMs, PSP Action Platform, iOS. But you are only going to choose Sony PlayStation Portable. That is the option you choose. So click on Sony PlayStation Portable. It is going to load. It's loading. Now these are all PPSSPP games. So according to the one you would like to download, you can browse the one you want to download by clicking on browse other. So you click on browse other and it's going to show you different letters. So according to the game you would like to download, I really want to download GTA China Wars. That is what I want to download. So I'm going to look for GTA China Wars. This is the game I would like to download. So I'm going to click on the game now. And this is the game. This is the game. So what you are going to do is just to click on to download now. That's what you're going to click on. Download now. It's going to take some time to load. Now Grand Theft Auto China Wars download. You just click download and it has started downloading. So in my next video I am going to be showing you the step by step how you can turn this game you just downloaded into a real PPSSPP game, because when you use this PPSSPP would not recognize this kind of file. So tune in for my next video as I will show you step by step on how you can turn this game into a PSSPP game. Thank you.